In today's video, I'm going to teach you navigating the dashboard. Let's start with the big picture so you feel confident from the moment you log in. When you open the dashboard, your eyes should go first to the left-hand side. This is the main navigation, and it's your hub for moving between core areas like campaigns, goals, tools, and billing. Think of it as the map of your workspace. Campaigns is where you'll spend most of your time managing and reviewing performance. Goals helps you align what you're tracking with the outcomes you care about. Tools contains helpful utilities and features you might need to set up or optimize your work. And billing is where you can review invoices and account details. Getting familiar with this panel will make everything else feel more intuitive. At the very top of the page, you'll see the search bar. This is the fastest way to find exactly what you need without clicking around. You can type in the name of a campaign, an ad, or even a section of the platform and jump straight there. If you manage a lot of assets, this becomes a real time saver. Keep your searches short and specific. Start with a keyword, then refine if you need to. It's especially useful when you know the item exists but can't remember where it sits in the hierarchy. Now take a look at the main area in the center. By default, you'll land on the campaign overview. This view is designed to give you high-level performance data at a glance, so you can quickly understand what's working and what deserves a closer look. Expect to see summary metrics and trends that reflect the overall health of your campaigns. Use this as your daily pulse check, a fast scan to spot patterns, spikes, or dips before you decide where to dig deeper. Across the top of this overview, you'll find filter options. Filters help you narrow what you're seeing so you can focus on the most relevant slice of data. You can filter by campaign type, status, or other criteria that matter to your workflow. Start broad, then layer on filters to zero in. Maybe you only want active campaigns or a specific type of campaign. Combining filters keeps your view clean and your attention where it counts. If your results feel cluttered, clear your filters and rebuild them one at a time until the view matches your intent. Put it all together. Use the left navigation to move between core areas. Rely on the search bar for instant access. Scan the overview for high-level insights and refine your focus with filters. That's the foundation for navigating the dashboard confidently and efficiently.